target of 10,000. And that got me thinking, I started to think and wonder, Mazen Namdekan is a leader of over how many million people. So having a signature on that petition of 10K would have been like that. But it hasn't happened, and that's over 3 months. So I'm wondering, is it that there is not enough campaign about it? Or is it that these people feigning to love Mazen Namdekan or be followers of Mazen Namdekan are not aware of it? Or they're just feigning, and this is a time to show that you are against the injustice being meted out on our people, because it's not about Namdekan. Namdekan is the voice and face of Biafrans. So why did we not hit 10K in a month, basically? So
are you saying that the petition haven't hit up to 10K up to this moment?
No, it hasn't. As of now, it's about 8,800 something.
Is it because it hasn't gotten the publicity it required or something?
That's my question. I mean, that's my question. And I have over 20K followers on Twitter, and I don't know what the issue is. I don't know what to say the problem is, but I know what it is still anyway, because our case is different. When people compare us to Nelson Mandela, you have some similarities as well, but we are peculiar. We are a certain kind of people. We are very special, and it's one of my frustrations that Biafrans do not know how special they are, and they lag around. They lag around and not use who they are to make waves.
No, but in my opinion, I believe that this petition have not gotten the publicity that it needs. In my personal opinion, not because our people are lackadaisical in their attitude, but I believe that the petition should be pushed further for our people to really know that this petition, because anything that has to do with Mazen Namdekan, Biafrans do not joke with it.
Absolutely.
Yes. So for me, I think this program also will give us the opportunity. I know millions, thousands and millions of people are watching, and we are going to put that petition forward. And I can guarantee you that in the next few hours, we're going to hit the point that it requires. I can guarantee you that. I believe that we haven't got the right publicity, but this program is going to change. It's going to change all that. Now, I want to bring up this question. We've seen the governor of Anambra State in recent time talk about the the release of Mazen Namdekan, and the issue of security, and how the release of Mazen Namdekan would not change anything when it comes to security in the Eastern region. What is your view in Soludo's statement?
Oh, sorry, Mazi. I saw your comment that got me laughing. The governor of Governor Soludo, in his recent interview that he gave, first of all, we need to understand that the governor is speaking also for himself and for his I say cohorts, those who.
Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to allow her to say all she wanted to say based on the petition that she designed to sign, according to her, to facilitate the release or to call out the British attention, to do the needful, to support or to order Nigerians to release Mazen Namdekan. But what made me the reason why I decided to react on it is because few weeks ago, I think or some months now, I made a video. Okay, last month I made a video saying that these people don't understand that they have actually conducted, referendum within Biafran circle in Biafran, not in Nigeria, within Biafrans, to prove that they are following, who they are following. If they are following Uchechi or following, PM, because Uchechi is here questioning why people have not signed the petition that she designed according to her. But she don't understand that petition that she signed, or she designed rather, is a kind of a wake-up call for her to understand that nobody is following her, that the few people that are ranting on social media that she's using to sign petition against PM and do, creating different accounts to prove that she command the IPB have a lot of people and blah 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 blah. She thinks she can do it alone. This is the reason why people are not paying attention to that petition, because I don't think that any reasonable Biafrans will sign petition that's been championed or designed by Uchechi. I doubt. And that is why she's struggling to gather the number that she wanted. Imagine if PM had been the one to ask, set up a petition and ask Biafran to go and sign. It will not take 3 days to hit 50,000. Do you understand? That is where it is. She said that she have 20,000 followers on her X, and she little did she know that those followers of hers on X, if she have 20, okay, 18 or 19 of them are those that she called names. So it's only 1,500 people from DOS are following her genuinely, because they are all the same. But the rest are real Biafrans that she undermined, thinking that she have a lot of people following you. Many people are following her. That does not mean that some people that you have many people following you does not mean that you have a lot of friends. Do you understand? And any other person that set up this kind of petition will generate a lot of attention. People will go there and sign. But as long as those petition comes from her, I don't think that petition will survive, because nobody believe or trust her. Which of course I don't blame anybody, because I myself, I don't trust her. I don't see myself signing such petition, because I don't believe that petition is made for mass American. It could be for something else. Do you understand? And many Biafrans understand this for a fact. She's here talking about Soludo. She said that Soludo and his cohort. This is somebody that leads groups from so-called IPOB to Soludo. She leads those groups to for them to have a political solution and whatever. The question is, why are you now having issue with Soludo after allowing yourself to be used against your own people? I don't blame her actually, because she never wanted Biafra. It is obvious. But we are not here for that. I just want you to understand that the cry continues about the petition. And that petition, I don't believe it's for mass American. I don't believe. And as long as that petition has to do with her name, personally, I'm not interested. She is something else, honestly. Anyway, let us continue with her lamentation.
The issue of insecurity, we just have to. I want to ask you a question in that regard again. Does the Eastern governors feel threatened that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his ability to curb the security situation, to put it under control, do you feel that they are threatened with his influence? Because we also have to look at that.
Yes, absolutely.
That aspect.
Absolutely, that is not debatable. That is not debatable. That is what it is. When Nnamdi Kanu says that Ndibo, Anyofu, and envy and jealousy, that is what is at play here. So the influence of Nnamdi Kanu, but keeping Nnamdi Kanu there is not going to diminish his influence. You are only making it wider, you are extending it internationally. I mean, it's becoming a thing that not just the Biafrans are aware of now or involved. In fact, Margaret, a 92-year-old woman, she was at the hospital, and a lot of people were talking about Nnamdi Kanu, pure British people in the hospital discussing Nnamdi Kanu. So, keeping him there, you are widening his influence. So keeping him there is not going to change anything. You think when you keep him there, and also keeping him there.
Okay, so you can see the lamentation, like I said, and this is not to say that Mazen Kano should not be released or that I'm against or any petition that we facilitate his release. No, but the fact is that knowing what we know and seeing what we have seen, especially the recent one, because she's here talking about being jealousy and all that, something that she's known for. If not, why are there the same people gathered to, commit nuisance, tagging Finnish government of every atrocities that have taken place in our land, that have been taking place before that made even her husband, Mazen Kano, leader of indigenous people of Biafra, to step up and say, no, enough is enough. And under her watch, she decided to tag all these crimes on innocent Biafrans and Biafran citizens. That leads to the issue of PM being questioned in Finland today. She's pretending that she's not aware of it, and it's all about jealousy and envy. The same thing that she's complaining about here. Because one thing with our people is that we always want to exonerate ourselves very, very quick, just to blackmail or to tag other people bad, which is very, very wrong. So if you want to criticize objectively. Anyway, my people, I just want to share this with us, but because we know that petition is a kind of, not even a kind, that petition is a referendum among ourselves, all right, to determine who is who and what is what. Forget about your population on comment section, that one of you guys can use 30 accounts to comment and pollute platforms, but when it comes to reality, nobody is there. For months now, she's struggling to gather 10,000 people to sign petition for a well-known person figure like Mazen Kanu. Is unfortunate. Like I said, it's simply not because of Mazen Kanu. It's not because people don't love Mazen Kanu, no, but because of the person that is behind the petition. That is just the fact. And she still pretends that she don't understand it, but that is what we're playing at now. No real person, no Biafrans will, follow anything that has to do with her, because she have done a lot of damages, pollute a lot of places, and she don't seem to stop anytime soon. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video, of course. Share it and tell us what you think about it on comment section. God bless you. Bye bye for now.